This is the Tiberius roundel, and he's one of 10 roundels that sits on the gatehouses at Hampton Court Palace. He's actually situated right on the front of the palace. He's part of a big conservation project that we've undertaken. It started in 2005 with a lot of research and investigation because we wanted to find out more about who these roundels were, where they were made, what they originally looked like, and also we wanted to know how we could best conserve them because they're quite a challenge. They're incredibly detailed sculpture, but they're sitting in an external environment, which means that we have limited options for their conservation. Tiberius had a big loss to the top of his head, which in the past had been capped with a cement fill, and this had accelerated the erosion of the underlying terracotta. However, when damage is done to the fire skin, the underlying terracotta is much weaker, and once erosion and damage starts, you can get quite substantial areas of loss. Part of the research and investigation we've undertaken since 2005 has been to find a suitable repair material. We were able to, over time, evolve a suitable mortar recipe where the mortar wouldn't be stronger than the terracotta, but it would be strong enough to make a good repair. The sort of mortar we had to find also had to be modelled in situ. We decided not just to cap off the top of the head, but because we had archival photographs of how Tiberius looked in the early 20th century when he had his chaplet still intact, we were able to use those, the conservators used them, to remodel the front of the head detail. The other part of the treatment that we've undertaken to this roundel is cleaning. The black dirt, because it was very much lead-based, was difficult to remove, and it was obscuring a lot of the beautiful detail in the sculpture. So we did lots of different tests to find out what we could use to remove the soiling, and in the end we chose laser cleaning. The laser delivers a short pulse of light onto the surface of the object, and the cleaning of the objects has been quite a revelation because it has revealed a lot of detail that previously was quite obscured. And it's made such a huge difference to this sculpture because he once again looks like a whole person rather than you just viewing him as a very damaged object with the top of the head missing.